Good afternoon, class 8. Today I am going to discuss how a virus spread in your system. When you use the internet or any external device frequently in your system, and before using any application you don't know which types of application this is. When you install that application, unfortunately you also install the virus also. Okay, and when a virus installed in your system, then by the help of the address, by the help of the link, it will make the communication between your file. When it will find the address of your file, then by default it will spread, by default it will open, and slowly by slowly it will corrupt or it will make the duplication of your file. When there is two things, one thing is make the duplication, another thing is destroy your file. When two phenomena occur in your system, then your system misbehave with you. I already told you what is the meaning of misbehaving, such as when you open your system, then suddenly it will shut down, then suddenly it will restart. When you open any file, then you open X file, then suddenly Y file is also open, or suddenly your existing file is closed. Okay, so these types of interrupted phenomena occur in your system due to virus. Okay, second thing is, I already told you, when virus attacked on your system, then they make the replicate your file. That means they make the duplication your file. Then what will be effect on your system? See, when you have used 500 MB, okay, 500 MB, you have only suppose that 14 file in your system. And when it will duplicate of every file, then by default, what is number of the file available? 28. But you install only 14 file. But how is it possible it will increase by double? Means your system is affected by the virus. Means your system is attacked by the worm. Okay, what is the use of worm? That means worm make the replication, worm make the duplication of your file. 28 means what? It will affected on your what? Hard disk. Where more 14 file is stored in your hard disk, no? Then right now what is affected? It will show your hard disk, that means your storage area will occupy 750 MB. Okay, so this is harmful for your storage area. And what is the effect on your system? In your system, there are following effects. Number 1, your system behave abnormal. Number 2, suddenly you open your system, suddenly it will restart. Okay, suddenly you open any file, one more file will be open. Third, when you open a particular file, that file say that file not found or path not found, means your file has corrupted or destroyed. Okay, now What is the fourth? Fourth means your system, as I told you, your system behave abnormal. So it means when you open any particular file, then you see that one more file will be open. The same file will be open, and that file size is 1 KB. 1 KB. That file size is what? 1 KB. Means it will make the duplication of your file. And most important is what? Your system become slow. This is the most important when any virus is attacked on your system. Then how we prevent from the virus? How we prevent? We prevent from the virus, number one, use a strong antivirus. Okay? Use a strong antivirus and updated antivirus. Okay? Number two, don't use any external storage device such as pen drive or CD. If you want to use external device, so then first of all scan that external device with the antivirus. Okay. Number third, when your system is connected with the internet, so please don't open any unknown file. Okay, they make you attract just to open me. They make you attract. Okay, because they make with different colors with the highlighted text. So they make you attracting. So don't attract. Okay, that means don't open any unknown application. Number four, when any email come on your mail account, so first of all try to scan that email. Okay, scan that email, then you will try to open. Then you will try to open after the scanning the email. Number six, don't give any types of your personal information on your system when your system is connected with the internet. Sometimes you open your any types of web application, then suddenly one advertisement will come here. Okay, you buy a car and give me the details, or you own the car, you own the mobile, give me some details, your name, your account, your address, your mobile number, your email address. So please don't give that. If you give that, then they will what? They will get the your personal information, and they will distribute to the another person, and they will what? Disturb you. Sir, please buy this car. Sir, please give me your account details. Like this. By this way, we can prevent from the virus. And most important what? Just you use the antivirus in your system. Updated antivirus and a strong antivirus. I tell you, Avast. Avast is one of the famous antivirus. Okay, just you use in your system. Okay, thank you for today class.